In this video, I'll guide you through how to search for events with specific people in Google Calendar. This is really helpful if you're trying to quickly find all the meetings you've had with a client, a coworker, or any particular person without scrolling endlessly through your calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up those events in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you actually use for your events. If you manage multiple accounts, it's worth double checking the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once your calendar loads, you should see your usual weekly or monthly view with all your events. Next, look toward the top of the page for the search icon. This is usually represented by a small magnifying glass, and you'll find it in the upper area of the screen near the center or right side, depending on your layout. Click on that search icon. As soon as you do, a search bar will appear, ready for you to type in what you're looking for. Before you start typing, though, you'll want to open the advanced search options. To do that, click the small drop-down arrow or the text that expands the search menu, usually found inside or next to the search bar. This drop-down is important because it lets you narrow your search to very specific details instead of just searching by keywords in event titles. When the advanced search panel opens, look for the field labeled Who. This is where you can specify the people connected to the event. In this box, you can type the name or email address of a participant, the organizer, or the creator of the event. As you start typing, Google Calendar will typically suggest contacts from your address book or people you've recently interacted with. Click the correct person from the suggestions to make sure you're linking to the right contact. Using the Who field is powerful because it focuses your search on events where that person is directly involved. For example, if you want to see all meetings organized by your manager, you would enter their name or email there. If you're trying to find every call scheduled with a particular client, you'd enter that client's details. You don't need to fill out every field in the advanced search. Just using the Who field is often enough to narrow things down significantly. Once you've entered the participant, organizer, or creator in the Who field and you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click the search button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the advanced search panel. After you click it, Google Calendar will filter your events and display a list of all the matching results. You'll now see a focused list of events that involve the person you specified. From here, you can click any event to open it, check details, or make changes. If the results aren't exactly what you expected, you can adjust the name or email in the Who field and run the search again. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to search for events with specific people in Google Calendar, making it much easier to track past meetings, follow up on conversations, and stay organized.